Maker of the Month challenge. We've got this. Drew and Travis set a challenge to make your shop great. Shop greatness was the theme, and we have got this. What's greater than the ultimate CNC hold down table? Over 1,000 bolt holes for hold downs, which I think is quite fitting that Travis is supporting this maker challenge, because the only reason I have a 3D printer to make hold downs is because I watched a video about how he fixed his fish tank from memory, and then I went, hey honey, I'm gonna spend $1,500 on a 3D printer. So thanks Travis, you nearly got me divorced, but it's cool. I got a 3D printer. One lost half the house with a 3D printer. It's cool. But if you don't want to use your hold downs for sheet goods, we threw in a vacuum table that is powered by none other than the finest vacuums Amazon can buy. I think it was actually the cheapest vacuum I could find on Amazon, but it works and it does the job. So I have 4 vacuums running a 2700 by 1200 millimeter. Yes, I'm Australian. I use millimeters. Get on board. I mean, I think that's like 4 foot by 9 foot, maybe. I don't know. I'll get a ruler, I'll work it out. And it holds sensationally. No need for clamps. So I 3D printed some handles for my blast gate. So I've got zone controls. This thing is sweet. I even threw on some positive references. So when I'm setting up my CNC, I just throw the board on, turn the vacuums on, walk away. It is done. Quick and simple. Now I've got to take this opportunity to plug, because that's what YouTubers do. If you want to see the full build video on this DIY CNC vacuum table and how we did it, come subscribe to my channel. I'm sure it'll be linked somewhere, wherever Drew wants to put it, if he chooses to put it anywhere. So this project and the motivation from this challenge has definitely stepped up our CNC game in the shed and inspired shop greatness. Could not be happier, and really glad that I found out about it on the 24th of April and smashed the project out in 3 days. It was great. My wife was very disappointed that I put her bed project to the side. Loved it. Only downfall is I didn't get to finish my sign that I wanted to show you how the CNC vacuum table worked, but it is very late in the evening, and if I turn my CNC on, my neighbor is going to complain and I'm going to be in a bit of trouble. So follow us on Instagram and YouTube and you will see this fine beast in action. I was going to say something witty like keep pursuing shop greatness, but I'm just going to leave it at happy building. Cheers guys.